I've been using the replenishing balm for years. I think this is my second or third pot, and you can see that it's almost gone, so it's almost time for me to replenish. What I love about it so much is that it's the go-to for everything. It never leaves my makeup bag or my gym bag. I always have it with me. It's great because it literally goes everywhere and does everything to replenish. So everything from, say, the hands. So I even put it on my knuckles and on my hands, just so you can kind of see that sheen and that difference. It really does make your skin just glow, and don't let the blue color discourage you. It's all natural ingredients. One of my favorite things to do, and I put a gentle little bit on my finger. It does come with a spoon, and I have that in my other bathroom, so I'm sorry I'm not showing you that. But if you can see, I've got fine lines and wrinkles and little tiny little lines even after using highlighter, moisturizer. So one of my favorite things to do is I gently just dot it right on those little tiny lines, and it's almost like it blurs. Like if you get a little closer, even the smile, it blurs out completely. If you can see the difference of the lines on this end that doesn't have it compared to this side, just when the light hits, it's like a highlighter. And my other favorite thing to do is comb the little front hair pieces and put it everywhere. I put it on my face, I put it on my neck, it's lips, it's eyes, it's everything, and it's my go-to. And like I said, this is about my third pot.